Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is GM Skywatcher. Today is Friday. It's October 4th, and it is a big day today. Today, I'm officially old. I'm 40. Can you believe that? I'm 40 years old. 40 years young. Just another day to me. But the most beautiful thing is that the skies are blue. It's so nice and cool out. It's 60 some degrees. Yeah, 2 days ago it was 95 degrees. But today, there is not one synthetic mutation in the sky. There's not one synthetic cloud. There's not one line in this beautiful blue sky. It's still early. It's only about 2:30 p.m. Look at that beautiful sun shining down upon us. It is bright and white, which is strange. Most of us remember a yellowish orange sun growing up. Hopefully these criminals leave our skies alone today, because it is very windy. There's another. I think they're prepping the skies for the sunset later on. That's usually what we get out of these Delta planes. The plane's all white and the bottom is blue. The bottom of the fuselage is blue, and in white it's spelled out Delta on the bottom. And I watch these criminals come across the sky here, and occasionally they'll spray in this area, but most of the time they go off into the distance here to where the sun will be setting. They spray the path of the sun. Not every day, but more often they do spray. Man, that wind is beautiful. Look at all them trees. I guess we'll just have to wait and see what the evening brings. Well, what they bring to us in the evening as the sun moves across the sky. Just seems strange, these planes. There's a third one here. One after the other. Where's it at? There it is. Have a great day, people. Happy birthday to GM Skywatcher. I will continue to document my skies for posterity. Alright, one more plane to document. What's that, 4 to 5 minutes, something like that? Have a great day, people. Awaken the sheeple.